Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, January 27. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of gold. This is a 60-minute chart here. We could see right now that we are ending with 3. So you can see based on the limited count that we see in the 1-hour time frame, that the rally that we have here is in the form of an impulse, finish with 3 with 4 in the minuet degree, and then now finishing 5, and this 5 was up, finish with 3 here in the minute degree. So now we're doing a with 4 pullback before turning higher again, as long as we stay above 1823 right here. So I think this is pretty straightforward. Basically it's still a pretty strong impulse on the upside, and as long as the pullback, when you see one, should continue to find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11. So let's say if we go down here, then later on we should be able to find support Y equal to the W as always in a corrective structure, right? And then turning higher again. So for the time being, in the shorter cycle, adjustment can be made. For example, if it breaks down from here, then you simply call X completed, and then you start measuring the target to the downside again, which is based on the corrective structure, 100%, 161.8%, and then from there you should expect buyers again, support to appear, and then gold to turn higher again or to resume to the upside. Okay. Now I'm zooming out a little bit now, looking at the daily time frame, and what I want to point out is this with 3 and with 4, and we're gonna take a look at which cycle are we looking at here in this black degree or in the minute degree here. So flipping to the daily time frame, I have already added a couple of count here. Again, we do have a full count in all time frames in our member area. If you want to get a full count as well as regular updates, you can always try our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. Alright, so you can see the top here is being labeled as with 3. I go to the daily time frame. This is the with 3 right here. So you can see based on this structure here, the position of the 1 and the 2, and how you get a clear extension here. It looks impulsive for sure, which is your with 3 here. Okay, so we're talking about the cycle that started from November 23rd, right? So this rally from the November 23rd is in a 5 waves, where we have ended 1, 2, and then now 3 could be completed already, and now 4 could be doing another leg down before it turns higher again to continue higher to finish a 5 ways up from this low over here. Okay, now in terms of the possible sort of support area for wave 4, if this is the right position for your wave 2, then you can measure retracement, for example, and get approximate idea where the wave 4 should be ending, which is somewhere between 38.2% retracement and 23.6% retracement, right? 1882, 1908 is the area, and then from there we can continue to go higher again. And you can also see the rally from September 28 looks to be nesting some sort of a sequence of 1 to 1 2 here is ongoing. So what that means is I think the rally is going to be continue, right? It is going to continue to go higher because it is a nest, and so far basically you are not expecting a major top yet this cycle. In other words, this cycle that started from September last year, this is gonna go for a while, because the structure again looks to be like a nest without any sign of ending with 5 of any kind. If you look at the momentum, it is still at the peak in here, so that tells you this is not like a wave 5 from here, 1 2 3 4 5 or something like that. Okay, so that's basically the idea here, guys. So basically shorter cycle, we should continue to expect support depending on how big the pullback is going to be, it will always find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing, as always, at the 100% extension. Okay, so that's the update for today, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.